Tired of sky-high rents and soul-crushing commutes? What if I told you there's a riverside paradise where gigabit internet meets mountain magic and everyone's flocking there in droves? Welcome to Chattanooga, Tennessee, the 2025 hidden gem that's stealing America's heart. Stick around, your dream move starts now. Hey folks, picture this. You're sipping coffee on your porch, the Tennessee River sparkling just blocks away, while the Appalachian foothills whisper promises of adventure right outside your door. That's not some far-off fantasy. It's everyday life in Chattanooga, Tennessee, the scenic city that's exploding onto the scene as the ultimate 2025 relocation hotspot. Once dismissed as a sleepy southern town, Chattanooga's reinvented itself into a vibrant haven where affordability, innovation, and natural beauty collide in the most irresistible way. And get this, U.S. News and World Report just crowned it the best place to live in Tennessee, climbing 21 spots to number 27 nationwide. Southern Living agrees, slotting it 8th on their South's Best Cities list for 2025. Why the hype? Because in a world of overpriced metros, Chattanooga delivers big city perks without the wallet-draining drama. If you're eyeing a fresh start, whether you're a remote working millennial, a growing family, or a golden year adventurer, this is your sign. Let's dive into why everyone's packing up for this riverside renaissance. First off, let's talk dollars and cents, because who doesn't love stretching their paycheck further? Chattanooga's cost of living sits a comfy 10% below the national average, according to fresh 2025 data from Salary.com and BestPlaces.net. That means your money goes miles here. Groceries, about 5% cheaper than average, with farmers markets bursting with local peaches and artisanal cheeses every weekend. Utilities won't shock you. Electricity dipped 1.3% last year, keeping bills low in this mild climate where winters rarely dip below freezing. And transportation? Zipping around on gigabit Wi-Fi fueled highways or the free electric shuttle downtown keeps gas and fares in check, with average commutes clocking in at just 17 minutes, way shorter than the national slog. But the real game changer? Housing that's still within reach, even as demand surges. Median home prices hover around $300,000, a steal compared to the US average of $370,000. Neat.com pegs the typical value at $259,000 to $200,000, with plenty of charming bungalows and modern condos under $400,000 in hotspots like North Shore or St. Elmo've, ticked up 30% over the last 5 years, thanks to the influx of transplants from pricey spots like California O. Renters rejoice. A 2-bedroom averages $1,150 monthly, 24% below national norms. Sure, prices hand New York, but Tennessee's no state income tax policy sweetens the deal, saving you thousands annually. Families of 4 can thrive on about $98,000 a year here, per the Economic Policy Institute, leaving room for date nights at the Chattanooga market or kayaking the river. No wonder Pods named it a top moving destination for 2025. It's the antidote to coastal crush. Now, shift gears to the economy, because Chattanooga isn't just cheap, it's charging ahead. Unemployment's a rock-solid 3.2%, with jobs blooming in tech, healthcare, and manufacturing. Dubbed Gig City, since pioneering the nation's first community-wide gigabit internet in 2010, it's a magnet for startups and remote pros. Blue Cross Blue Shield, Volkswagen's massive plant, and Erlanger Health System pump out opportunities. From AI-driven roles at the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga to assembly lines paying $20 plus an hour entry level. Amazon's fulfillment centers keep logistics humming and the startup scene's on fire. Think incubators fostering everything from biotech to app devs. Median household incomes climbing to $67,000, with average earnings hitting $99,000 to $972 in the broader area. And with Tennessee's population swelling by 80,000 in 2024 alone, fueled by record net migration, Chattanooga's metro is projected to hit 437,000 residents by year's end, a 0.7% bump that's drawing diverse talent. Young professionals are snapping up spots in the revitalized South Side, where co-working spaces buzz with innovation. It's not hype. Milken Institute ranked the region 46th in best performing cities, crediting this manufacturing tech mashup. If career growth's your jam, Chattanooga's handing out ladders left and right. But let's be real. What's a great job without a life that lights you up? Chattanooga's quality of life is off the charts, blending Southern soul with endless escapes. Nestled where the river meets the mountains, it's a playground for the active soul. Hike the craggy trails of Lookout Mountain, where wildflowers carpet the paths in spring and fall foliage turns the ridges into a fiery canvas. Rock climbers flock to the sandstone bluffs, while the 16-mile river walk invites jogs past historic bridges and popping up food trucks. Fishing? The Tennessee River's teeming with bass and catfish. Fishing. Booker just named Chattanooga the second best fishing town in Tennessee for 2025. And families, the Chattanooga Zoo's unveiling a Cape of Africa exhibit this year, complete with warthogs and servals, pure kid magic. Weather's a dream. 300 sunny days annually, with balmy summers and crisp falls, perfect for tailgating at UTC Mocs games. Nietzsche gives it an A- overall, praising the dense suburban vibe where parks outnumber parking lots. Diversity shines too. 56% white, 28% black, 9% Hispanic residents foster a welcoming tapestry, with festivals like the bustling Chattanooga Market celebrating every culture under the sun. Culture here? It's alive and kicking, with a creative pulse that rivals bigger burgs. Downtown's a feast for the senses. The Tennessee Aquarium dazzles with penguins and sharks, while Ruby Falls' underground waterfall glows like a hidden cathedral. Art lovers wander the Bluffview District's galleries and sculpture gardens, sipping espresso amid blooming courtyards. Music's in the air. Catch free nightfall concerts from May to July, or gear up for the 2025 Riverbend Festival, one of the Southeast's biggest bashes with headliners on every stage. Foodies, brace yourselves. The scene's exploding with farm-to-table gems like Main Street Meats and trendy spots channeling 70s vibes at Mean Jeans, slinging tacos and craft cocktails. And 2025's packing heat. New hotel rooms, 450 incoming, mean more spots for events like the Bacon and Barrel Festival, where you vote on smoky masterpieces. Tourism's booming, with visitors dropping $31 billion statewide in 2024, and Chattanooga's unique draws like the Incline Railway pulling record crowds. It's not just surviving, it's thriving, with low crime in family pockets and responsive cops keeping things safe. Of course, no spot's flawless. Traffic snarls during rush hour on I-24, and some older neighborhoods grapple with aging infrastructure. Construction's ongoing to fix that. Summers can steam up, and while schools earn a B-, magnets like Chattanooga High shine bright. But these are growing pains in a city that's outpacing expectations. Compared to Nashville's neon frenzy or Atlanta's sprawl, Chattanooga offers intimacy without isolation. 135 miles to Nashville for a quick escape, yet worlds away in pace. So, if 2025's your year to rewrite the script, Chattanooga's calling. This hidden gem's not staying under the radar long. Movers from high-cost havens are claiming their slice daily. Imagine trading gridlock for greenways, cubicles for creekside brews. It's more than a move, it's a rebirth. What's holding you back? Drop a comment. Ready to call Chattanooga home? Hit like if this sparked your wanderlust, subscribe for more unmissable spots, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, chase that river dream.